So checking the USD Japanese yen here, kind of on an uptrend, broke in this line here. Now above this one, broke this level here, which could turn out to be a movement here, going back and forth. For now, trading within here. Let's check the weekly real quick. Here, big bearish candlestick on a weekly, which could look something like this, where we head to the downside at some point. Let's check the 4-hour chart. The 4-hour chart will basically going here back and forth. Let's see what I'm looking here out for. If we draw some kind of bigger zones here, would be around here. So the first one, the other one would be around here. Somewhere, something like this. So here is a smaller kind of resistance line that we are heading to. So either we will go to this zone, and here is where I would look for a short, or if we go lower, I would look for a buy, or maybe we can break and then continue this. But at the moment it looks like we are going up somewhat. Checking the 1-hour chart. Well, still here between these support and resistance line, basically forming this kind of, well, just a movement to the side, not much going on. Let's check the 30-minute chart. So here, kind of a bearish channel on the 30-minute chart with lower highs and lower lows, which could mean that this is a bullish flag, and thus we will see here at some point the breakout and go to this area here, which is where I would look for a short. So here, taking a look at the 5-minute chart, here kind of getting rejected. So if we see a pretty bearish sign like we did here, we will go all the way down to the trend line here of this flag. Otherwise, maybe we can see here a breakout, because it looks like it will turn to the upside at some point. Let's check the 5-minute chart. Yeah, so here the CCI pulled back to give us some room. Here we are going higher, and it looks like if we adjust the trend line here a bit and draw it somewhere, something like this, and then go back to the 5-minute chart. So we saw here this breakout. So here we had this little breakout, and now we are retesting this trend line. So it looks to me like we are going up. So if we do I would here look for short week forward chart. I mean, the next target would be this line if we break here. So this was the US dollar Japanese yen. Let's check USD and CAD. So pretty much here on an uptrend ever since here. So we basically retested this trend and just continued to go higher, which means we could here see a new high being formed for now. Next target would be this zone. At the moment we're pushing pretty high, so it looks like we will continue to go higher. Let's check the 3-hour chart. Here, kind of pretty bullish momentum going on. 1-hour chart, we are hitting here this zone around here. Well, for now the trend is pretty much up, so not much going on here for an entry at least. Let's see the 15-minute chart. Broke this line here. Maybe you could say pullback, and so he had this kind of veggie triangle form. So breaking out of this channel, and it looks like we will here pull back a little bit and continue to go higher from now. Well, on short minute or on lower time frames, 5-minute chart looks like we are here pulling back. So on lower time frames there are definitely some interest, but I'm looking here for longer swing trades. So at the moment I just have to be patient and wait, since there is not that much going on. Here on the forward chart, looks like we will head higher for now. Maybe once we break this line, we can target the next one. But for now, not much for me going on. Let's check the USD Swiss. Let me quickly get rid of all this here. Let's check the weekly real quick. So here this nice uptrend. On the other side here, this downtrend. So we are within this triangle on the weekly. The daily chart pretty much the same. Here we kind of had a double top with well, not really a bearish CCI. Let's check the RSI. Here neither, so just a double top, not really. But here now, again retesting this zone here. Quickly target this zone here around. So taking a look at the forward chart, basically here trying to consolidate a little bit at the trend line of the triangle on the weekly. So next target would be here. Here, kind of a smaller resistance area. Take a look at the 1-hour chart. So gaining some bullish momentum here at the resistance and trend line. Looks like we will try to break out from now. And then we could continue to this yellow resistance line from let's check the fading edge. Well, here pretty high, pulling back at the resistance line and trend line here. So let's check what we have here. 5-minute chart. Well, not clear if we will pull back for now, but the 1-minute chart, let's check this. So the CCI here is pretty low and we're pulling back a little bit, which means we could still continue to go higher and reach the yellow resistance line on the 4-hour chart at some point. So for now here I have to wait as well for bigger interest, unless we can here find some kind of better bearish sign and then move from here to here. So this is it for now.